Good morning, my dear students. Hope you all are well in this pandemic time. You already learned about evolution of computer. Today we are going to know about first general purpose electronic digital computer. First general purpose electronic digital computer name is Eniac. Now you are thinking, what is that? Full form of Eniac is Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. It was able to solve a large class of numerical problems through programming. Now you are thinking, what is programming? Programming is simply collection of program or collection of instruction. In last class you learned about Lady Ada Lovelace. Yes, our first ever programmer. ENIAC was developed by University of Pennsylvania and put to work for practical purposes in December 1945. It was huge in size. That means more than 19,000 vacuum tubes, 7,200 crystal diode, 1,500 relay, 70,000 resistor, 10,000 capacitor, and more other type of electronic component made it so bulky and huge. It also consumed large electricity, more than 150 kilowatt, and it required more than 80 square feet to accommodate itself. Hope you learn about ENIAC. Our next topic is characteristics of computer. A computer has many characteristics because which is being applied in many fields to generate different type of solution. Characteristics means the quality which show how computer is different from other electronic devices. First characteristics is speed. Speed doesn't mean distance of a speed. In computer, speed means processing speed of it and its effectiveness. A computer works at a very high speed. It has much faster in comparison to human being. A modern computer can process millions of instructions in a second. Its speed is measured in MIPS. MIPS stands for millions instruction per second. Second, diligence. Diligence simply means the quality of doing work carefully and thoroughly. You know that computer never get tired and work efficiently for hours and hours without taking any kind of break until and unless it has some technical issue. Third is versatility. Versatility means it shows the versatile nature of computer, capacity of computer for performing more than one task at a time. Computer is also known as multiprocessing device. For example, you can listen music while doing your computer assignment. Accuracy. Accuracy means it's never make mistake and works exactly to the instruction given to it. High storage capacity. Computer has very huge memory space. It can store huge amount of data which can be retrieved as and when required. It can store large amount of information in a very small space. You have seen the hard disk that is so small in size, but it can store millions of instructions inside it. Next is secrecy. A computer can also act like a safety vault. It can store the important information which cannot be accessed by unauthorized user. That means if you are storing your personal information in computer never share with unauthorized user. Calculative. A computer can do any type of calculation, be it arithmetic or logical. Arithmetic data means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. And logical data means comparison of data like greater than, less than, equals to, etc. So these are the characteristics of computer. Next, limitation of computer. Limitation means things that computer cannot do, and we can also say that disadvantage of computer. A computer is very useful machine, but it cannot replace human as it has certain limitation. The limitation are it cannot think on its own. It has to be guided or instructed by the user. It has no sentiments. It has only artificial intelligence. It cannot learn from the past experience. It has no learning power. For each and every work, it needs to be configured. That means computer has to be guided by a person. Then only computer can process data. Hope you can learn about limitation of data. Thank you for listening me. Be healthy. Don't waste your time in front of TV and mobile. Utilize your time in productive work. Listen to your parents.